Hey, what's up guys? This is Steeps and I'm going to show you how you can pay your overdue Meralco bills using your GCash app. In my last video on GCash on how to pay your bills using GCash, I've gotten some questions on that video if possible bang magbayad ng overdue bills. The short answer to this is of course yes. Pwede pong magbayad ng overdue Meralco bills, and I'm gonna show you how kasi there are some people saying that it's not working or they don't know how. I'm gonna show you how. So to prove to you how this works, this is my overdue bill. This was due last March 21, I think. And then March 21. And then this is my disconnection notice. So today is actually April 7. So this is at least 2 weeks overdue already. This is March 21, and my disconnection notice says I'm going to get disconnected March 31. But thankfully it hasn't been done yet. So I'm gonna show you how it's gonna work. So what we're gonna do is open your GCash app and go to your electric utilities. Go to the pay bill section first, and then go to electric utilities and go to Meralco. Where's that? There. Where is it? There. Meralco's here. So we're gonna use a scan QR code. So to pay overdue bills, you'll need the actual bill. This one is just a proof that this works. So I haven't paid this yet. I'm gonna do this with you guys. So we're gonna scan the reference number. Para hindi ko na ita-type, and the amount, which is 1, 2. What you're gonna do is pay for the total current amount. Okay, total current amount, and in here you should pay exactly what's stated in the total current amount. If you're gonna go over that, gonna go under that, or if you pay the total amount due, where is that? The total amount due. In some cases kasi you have outstanding bills, like last month you haven't paid that yet. So pwedeng hindi mag-match yung current amount at saka yung total amount due. Disregard this amount for now. What you're gonna do is you pay just the total current amount, okay? So we're gonna enter that. So we're gonna pay the total current amount, okay? And then enter the amount. 1229 point, what's that? 86. 229.86. Oh, make sure na when you click this total current amount, select it. Make sure it doesn't say select pay for. It should be select pay for total current amount. Okay. So here we go. This is the confirmation screen. I'm blocking my email address. So I just click confirm. Let's just wait a few minutes, a few seconds. There you go. It's confirmed. So I was able to pay using my overdue bills using my GCash. So that's basically it. Basically, ang guidance lang naman dito, rule of thumb is each bill, yung current amount niya matches a specific reference number. In this case, it's this. So yan. Oh, so it's not sharpening. So, yeah, there. That's my reference number. So when you plug in an amount that's different from the total current amount for this specific reference number, it's not gonna go in. Basically, that's what happens if you're trying to enter a different amount, like a total amount, or gusto mo may pasobra, no, it's not gonna go in. It should always match. So what your reference number should match a current amount. So kahit overdue yan, so yung overdue bill mo, papasok yan as long as nagmamatch yung reference number and yung current amount. Another question I received a lot in my last video is that possible bang magbayad ng total amount due using the the reference number of that bill. Most of the time, if halimbawa, if you have a previous balance, previous unsettled balance, your total amount doesn't match your total current amount, if you're gonna scan that and you're gonna put in your total current amount, hindi papasok yung payment mo. It's going to be rejected by the system. So basically, yun nga, like I've said earlier, a rule of thumb here is that if you're gonna pay using this particular bill and this particular reference number using your GCash app, it's gonna look for this particular transaction, this particular record, and since ang current amount mo lang is yun lang yung pwede mong bayaran. It's a one-to-one thing. So, ganon. Kaya hindi pumapasok yung bill. So, if you need to pay for a previous overdue amount, you need the bill. You need that exact bill. There's a different reference number for that. So, ganon. So basically, this is how you pay for your overdue bill. So, step 1, you need your bill. You need your actual bill. You cannot use this one because there's no barcode here. Yeah. Oh, you can enter this one though, but there's no barcode. It's hard to input that thing. So you just need to so step 1, ulit lang tayo. You need a bill. Open your GCash app, scan the barcode, go to the pay bill section, look for Meralco, scan the barcode, this barcode, not this one. This one corresponds to this series of numbers, so you don't have to input them. You just need to scan this. And then pay for the current amount. Don't use the total amount. Okay? Current amount. And then just go through the process. Make sure that when it's asking you select amount to pay for, make sure total current amount is selected. And when you do that, go through the process lang, it's gonna go in, and that's how you pay your overdue bill. It accepts overdue bills. I've used this numerous times already, and definitely this works. So just give it mga 1 to 2 days to reflect in the system, and definitely papasok to. Don't worry. So unless if you're gonna pay like you're already disconnected, I wouldn't suggest paying using this. Make sure na lang na this is for overdue bills na hindi pa na-disconnect. So yun, this is how you pay how you pay for your Meralco bills. So thanks guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Thank you for subscribing. I've already hit 100 subscribers. Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-subscribe, and keep on sharing this. Please share if you think this helped. Share this to people na matutulungan itong video na to, and yeah, thank you. Maraming salamat for watching, and I'll keep you posted for more tips and tricks for GCash. Maraming salamat. Thank you.